Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an Until Midnight unboxing. If you don't know what this is, it is a book subscription. Also, I haven't had it for like a month or two. I think it actually is a month. But this is July's. Got it today. Well, let's see what's in it. You open the box. Try not. Okay. This is what you see. This was, I think, $29, so it's worth it. Okay, so thank you. First, okay. So I get a card. Dude, it's hot here. I get a bookmark. A bookmark. I got Vengeance Moon by Lee Reynolds. I'll definitely read this for sure. See if it's signed. I don't think it is, but girl. No, it's not signed. I thought it was. Okay. I also got Shutter Home Family Yarn Vineyards Pink Moscato, California. So a little thing of wine, which is probably going to go in the fridge right after this turns off. And some Americana peanut M&Ms. So that's everything in the box. And I will see you guys in the next video. Like I said, this was $29. Definitely worth it, especially if she's sending you hooch. No. If she's sending you wine and stuff, and I'll definitely yeah. So I will see you guys in the next video, which will probably be my favorites of July. I'm basically gonna post this video and two other videos that I forgot to post that I made this week, if I'm not mistaken, on Facebook and YouTube. And I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't. Click the like button below. Comment below. Click the bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!